The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is going to be the next big update for the upcoming foldable devices, and if Samsung wants to keep that title, it will need to step up its game. After a couple of years of small Z Fold updates, we are hoping to see a big one with the Fold 5. Quite a few details about the two devices have been leaked online in the past few months, and as we move closer to their official launch, we can expect more and more info to reveal until there's no much mystery left. The latest information isn't exactly a leak but more of a find. Folks over at My Fix Guide have come across a regulatory listing for the two upcoming Samsung foldable phones revealing information about their charging speed. The device apparently got listed on China 3C certification website where they are listed with a support for 25-watt charging. So if you are hoping Samsung would bring over its 45-watt charging speed to its new foldable device, then this is a bad news for you. It also doesn't look like that Galaxy Fold 5 will see a major battery upgrade as well. 25-watt charging might seem outdated when compared to the charging speed offered by other Chinese manufacturers, which can go up to 100 watts as a new Vivo foldable device has arrived. Even the wireless charging speed has been doubled in those devices than the Samsung foldables. But playing the numbers game is not Samsung foldable devices are known for, and the Korean giant continue to attract customers just because of their durability. So it's not likely to change anytime soon, and based on what we know right now, it doesn't seem like the Fold 5 will get a bump in the battery capacity either. It might even have a slightly smaller battery, although that can't be confirmed at the moment, but in any case, battery life shouldn't be an issue thanks to the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is specifically designed for Galaxy, which proved to be a game changer when it was introduced in the Galaxy S23 series that will power the two phones. It is unlikely that Fold 5 will be available to outperform regular phone on battery efficiency due to its limited internal space and the fact that it's got too big display to run. However, being able to last longer than 8 hours and 20 minutes of the Galaxy Fold 4 and closer to 10-hour mark for the most normal smartphone achieved is something we are keen to see in the Z Fold series much sooner than later. The biggest Fold 5 rumors point out a newer waterdrop hinge design that could minimize the crease, a lighter build and a faster processor, and possibly a camera upgrade. But if you are not getting a faster charging, it would be a major problem for a heavy user. And since this device is going to be an expensive one, so we were hoping that the charging speed might be upgraded. Anyhow, what are your thoughts on Samsung upcoming foldable line? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.